Chainsaws are powerful tools that have become essential in the world of forestry and woodcutting. But have you ever wondered why chainsaws were invented in the first place? The answer may surprise you. While it may seem obvious that chainsaws were created for the sole purpose of cutting trees, there are actually several surprising reasons behind their invention. In this video, we will delve into the history of chainsaws and explore the various factors that led to their creation. From medical procedures to war efforts, we will uncover the true purpose behind why chainsaws were invented. History of manual saws. The history of manual saws dates back thousands of years, long before the invention of chainsaws. These early saws were primarily made from flint or obsidian, and were used for a variety of purposes, including cutting through wood. However, these primitive saws were slow and required significant physical effort to operate. As civilizations advanced, so did the technology behind manual saws. In the 18th century, the invention of the two-man saw revolutionized the logging industry. This type of saw required two individuals to work together, with one pulling the saw back and forth while the other applied pressure to the opposite side. This method significantly increased productivity and efficiency. However, even with these advancements, manual saws still had limitations. They were heavy, required manual effort, and were time-consuming. This led to the question, why were chainsaws invented? Industrial Revolution and need for efficiency. During the Industrial Revolution, the demand for wood and timber skyrocketed. The need for efficient and rapid woodcutting methods became more pressing than ever. Manual saws, while an improvement over their primitive counterparts, still couldn't keep up with the growing demand. This is why chainsaws were invented. The Industrial Revolution brought about a wave of technological advancements, and the logging industry was not exempt from this trend. Inventors and engineers were inspired to create a machine that could effortlessly cut through wood, minimizing physical effort and maximizing productivity. This led to the birth of the chainsaw. The need for efficiency during this period extended beyond just the logging industry. The construction and manufacturing sectors were booming, and wood was a crucial resource. Chainsaws offered a way to meet this demand while streamlining the cutting process. These machines revolutionized the industry by allowing loggers to quickly and efficiently fell trees, trim branches, and process timber. The Industrial Revolution created a perfect storm of technological innovation, economic demand, and societal need. It was during this period that chainsaws were invented, forever changing the world of forestry and woodcutting. Birth of chainsaw invention. The birth of chainsaw invention can be attributed to a convergence of factors that pushed the need for a more efficient and powerful woodcutting tool. The Industrial Revolution, with its exponential demand for timber and wood products, played a pivotal role in sparking the invention of chainsaws. The existing manual saws, although an improvement over earlier versions, simply couldn't keep up with the growing demand. The need for speed and efficiency was evident, and that's why chainsaws were invented. Inventors and engineers of the time were driven to create a machine that could effortlessly slice through wood, minimizing physical effort and maximizing productivity. Chainsaws were the answer to this demand. They revolutionized the logging industry by allowing loggers to quickly fell trees, trim branches, and process timber. The invention of chainsaws was a direct response to the challenges faced by industries during that time. As we explore the subsequent sections, we will delve into the early versions of chainsaws, the advancements that have made them indispensable in modern-day industries, and the safety concerns and regulations surrounding their use. So stay tuned to uncover the fascinating journey of chainsaws from invention to the versatile tools we know today. Early versions of chainsaws. Before the chainsaws we know today, there were early versions of this powerful tool that helped pave the way for its evolution. In the late 18th century, the first prototype of a chainsaw was created by a German orthopedic surgeon named Bernhard Heine. Heine was inspired to develop this invention after witnessing the struggles of surgeons who needed to amputate limbs quickly and efficiently. He recognized the need for a tool that could easily cut through bones and flesh, which led to the birth of the chainsaw. These early chainsaws were operated by hand and consisted of a chain with cutting teeth, much like the chainsaws we are familiar with today. However, these early versions were primarily used for medical procedures rather than forestry or woodcutting. It wasn't until later that the potential of chainsaws for other applications was realized. As time went on, the design and functionality of chainsaws continued to improve, with advancements such as the addition of a gas-powered engine in the early 20th century. This allowed for greater mobility and increased power, making chainsaws more versatile and efficient. The invention of early chainsaws marked a significant milestone in the evolution of this essential tool, setting the stage for the modern chainsaws we use today. Modern-day chainsaws and their different uses. Nowadays, chainsaws have evolved into versatile tools that serve a variety of purposes beyond just cutting down trees. From construction to landscaping, chainsaws are used in a wide range of industries. One of the main reasons why chainsaws were invented was to increase efficiency in the logging industry. Today, they continue to play a crucial role in forestry, allowing loggers to quickly and efficiently fell trees, trim branches, and process timber. But their usefulness doesn't stop there. Chainsaws are also commonly used in construction projects, such as cutting through concrete or removing unwanted structures. In the hands of skilled operators, they can make precise cuts and save valuable time on job sites. In addition, chainsaws are essential tools in the field of arboriculture. Arborists use them for tree pruning, trimming, and removing dead branches. Their portability and cutting power make them invaluable for maintaining the health and safety of trees in urban environments. From emergency services to outdoor enthusiasts, chainsaws have become indispensable in a wide range of applications. They are used in disaster relief efforts to clear debris, in ice and snow removal, and even by sculptors who create intricate designs from logs. Chainsaws have come a long way since their invention, and their versatility is a testament to their enduring importance in various industries and activities. The next time you see a chainsaw in action, remember the surprising reasons why they were invented and the countless ways they continue to shape our world. Safety concerns and regulations. When it comes to operating a chainsaw, safety should always be a top priority. Chainsaws are powerful and potentially dangerous tools, which is why there are strict safety concerns and regulations surrounding their use. One of the main reasons why chainsaws were invented was to increase efficiency and productivity. But along with that came the need for guidelines to ensure the safety of operators and those around them. Safety concerns and regulations address various aspects of chainsaw use, including proper protective gear, maintenance and inspection of the tool, and safe operating practices. Operators are advised to wear protective clothing such as helmets, face shields, gloves, and chainsaw chaps to minimize the risk of injury. Regular maintenance, such as sharpening the chain and keeping the saw in good working condition, is also crucial for safe operation. In addition to personal safety, there are also regulations in place to protect the environment and prevent damage to property. For example, there may be restrictions on when and where chainsaws can be used, especially in urban areas or during fire seasons. Noise regulations may also apply to minimize disturbances to nearby residents. By following safety concerns and regulations, operators can ensure the safe and responsible use of chainsaws. Understanding why chainsaws were invented and the potential risks associated with their use is essential for preventing accidents and promoting a safe working environment. Remember, chainsaws are valuable tools, but their power should always be respected and used with caution.